Welcome to the overview of WISL Tree Generator. WISL Tree Generator is a mechanism for representing data in a tree-like structure. The goal is to represent spatial and temporal relationships more effectively than may be accomplished in text-based information reporting. Simple shape figures, circles, rectangles, triangles, are used to convey the nature and boundaries of data objects. Straight lines are used to establish connectivity between data objects with distance or length and direction, establishing hierarchical and or temporal relationships between the data objects. Other characteristics include the size of shape figures are variable and based on relative size of specified data attributes, usually measured in numeric value, for example, dollars, weight, or dimension. The freight management example displayed here uses freight cost in dollars. These variables may be determined by customer-selected parameters. The typical report format flows top to bottom, left to right. As we move left to right across here, on the x-axis, typically a report starts in the top left-hand corner, driven by a key date or record key attribute or multiples thereof, and is sorted either ascending or descending down the display area. The y-axis is used to display, as you can see here, the tree relationships, which might also include a temporal scale. A title, date generated, and additional record selection is displayed at the top left corner. After the initial display, the user may specify a zoom factor to vary the amount of report viewable in the given screen area. In this case, we'll make it 60%, and you can see then that you get much more of the area of the report displaying in this report displaying the displayable area. The user may also specify a limitation of levels displayed to narrow the focus to a higher summary level. And the level drop down, we simply say up to level 3 in this case, and then you have only the top 3 levels, and again a narrower focus to focus on. We'll put that back to the all levels for the time being. Finally, the user may hide the heading in this button at the top here. You click that, it removes the top heading and gives you, in this case, a complete only left to right that you have to move. The top to bottom is all there. Of course, the extent to which you do these things all depends on the tree that you're dealing with. Finally, you may click on any of the objects and produce the detail information that that object represents. Okay, and any object in the tree. There are 3 interactive components in the tree generator. The tree file generator provides for the interface with the customer database. Tab-delimited files generated from customer databases are accepted, named, and stored for subsequent access by the tree report generator. Files may be processed on demand with an interactive facility, or more typically, they may be generated through scheduled automated procedures. The tree file generator is usually administered by the customer database administrator. The second component is the tree report generator. It offers facilities to select records and customize the graphical display to focus and enhance information for the end user. The tree report generator is typically utilized by customer information coordinators or key end users. Third component is the tree report display, which provides for navigation of the trees generated by the tree report generator, which may be presented to the end user individually via email or through a menu structure that is maintained through the tree report generator. The three components of the system are designed to interface with customer organization components to optimize utilization of the WISL Tree Generator. Videos are available describing each of these three components in more detail. This concludes the overview of WISL Tree Generator.